Hello class, today we are going to talk about accounting. Now, do you all know what is accounting? Well folks, to be frank with all of you, there is no standard definition of accounting. If I have to define accounting to you, I will be confusing you even further. In fact, I can pause this video now, give you a chance to Google, and refer to different kinds of accounting books. How so? Because accounting is not defined by words but constant practice. I see you get the picture now. Let's take a simplified kind of information. Remember, accounting is all about information. The information we need so that we can conduct our business. Now let's look at the following diagram. We have a table. It starts out like a big letter T. You have a right side and left side. On the left, let's list assets that our company might have. What are assets? Those of things that have value. So let's say for an example that our company has a cash of 2,000 rands. Now, what other kinds of assets might our company have? Well, we might have merchandise inventory. These are the goods we are selling to our customers. Let's say we have a 3,000 rands worth of merchandise. Now, what other kinds of assets? Vehicles for transporting our goods. Let's say we have 2,000 rands worth of vehicles. What else? Well, we probably own properties, lands, and building. Our property is worth 8,000 rands. Now, we can add up all the assets. What yet have we not taken into account? The liabilities. Let's list the liabilities on the right side of the table. What do we mean by liabilities? That's amount that we owe to another people. So what kind of debts might we have? Well, we probably have what we call trade payables. Meaning, our suppliers will deliver goods to us. We receive the goods but we have not yet paid for them, and so we have a certain amount that we owe to our suppliers and we can pay them on a regular basis. So at this point in time, let's say we have trade payables of 1,000 rand. And let's say we also have bank loans. We had borrow some money from the bank for temporary working capital or some purpose like that. Let's say that we have 2,000 rands of bank loan. Now, we can add up all the liabilities. Now if we want to find out what is the net worth of this business. And what do we mean by that? Remember, to net means to combine two things together, typically things that are offsetting. You see, if we need to pay off our liabilities, we would have to use some of our assets to pay the liabilities. So the liabilities are going to reduce the value of the assets. So if we net them together, we get the net worth of total assets minus total liabilities, which is equals to 12,000 rands. Let's list the net worth on the right hand side of the table, below the total liabilities. Now watch this final trick, it's a good one. We add up the right side, the total liabilities plus the total net worth equals to 15,000 rands. Left side and right side are in balance. They both equal to 15,000 rands. What do we call that? I am sure you guessed it. That's a balance sheet. That is a balance sheet. And notice the way we calculate the net worth as the difference between the total assets and the total liabilities. It ensures that the balance sheet will always be in balance, always be in balance. Hope you learned something.